Myself Vijay Pratap Singh. I am your economics teacher. Dear students, in this video we will discuss about some questions of economics of class 12th. Dear students, according to that, some questions are coming in our examination. It should be important. So we have to discuss which types of questions are coming in the exam. Okay, suppose multiple choice questions is coming in front of you, then what you will do? Then if multiple choice questions are coming in front of you, just you have to take the correct answer. Okay, here in front of you one question is a given multiple choice question. Number 1, to study of macroeconomics include, there is a 4 option, you have to give any right answer whom you know. Okay, second question is given in front of you, explain of macroeconomics variables. In front of you there is a 4 option is given. These all options are given in front of you. With the help of that you have to solve your correct answer. Next question is given, Great Depression of dash led to fall in output and employment. You have to give right answer. Fourth question is given in front of you, macroeconomics is also called. 4 options are given in front of you, theory of income and employment, government budget, price theory and Keynesian theory. These 4 options are in front of you. With the help of that you have to give any correct answer. Fifth one is given, basis economic activity, and 4 option is given, production, investment, consumption, all of these. Any one option is correct, you have to give correct answer, you have to tick, otherwise you have to write answer directly in the answer sheet. Question number 6, example of stock. 4 option is given, income, monetary expenditure, capital formation and wealth. Which one is correct? You have to write correct answer. 7th one is given in front of you, circular flow is of, fill in the blanks, types. How many types of circular flow? 4 types, 3 types, 2 or all of these. Which one is correct? You have to give right answer. Turn the page of the question paper, you are getting second number. It should be written, a phase of circular flow of income. There is a 4 option. First one is a phase of circular flow of income. First one, production, distribution, disposition, all of these. This is the important one. With the help of that you have to give your right answer. 9th one, which of the following is a stock? 4 options are given in front of you, wealth, series, exports, profit, and 10th option is given in front of you. 10th question number, which of the following is not a flow? So dear students, capital, income, investment and depreciation. Which one is the correct answer? You have to give. After that in front of you one question is given, short answer type question. If these types of questions are coming, you have to write in 2 lines or 3 lines. Okay, first question is given, what is the macroeconomics? What is the answer? Just you have to define and write within 2 and 3 lines. Second question is define money flow. Dear students, you have to define about money flow. Same you have to write 2 and 3 lines once again of these questions. Third question is given in front of you, what are the types of circular flow? Dear students, circular flow we had already completed in the chapter 2nd. Okay, same thing you have to write here with the help of diagram. What is the barter system? Dear students, barter system we had completed in the chapter 6, money and banking. Okay, what is the legal tender? This one we have discussed in the money chapter. Okay, these all answer you have to write minimum 3 lines. After that, answer the following question is given in front of you. See, that one is a mark of 30 marks, means 6 marks of the question should be there. Okay, and question number B, which one you had completed, that one is a marks 15 total, means 3 marks each question. Okay, state any 4 components of macroeconomics and explain them. Now this is the question, you have to give answer, explain it, you will get 6 marks of these all things. So you have to write neat and clean, maximum 6 to 7 lines. Second question is given in front of you, explain the circular flow of income. Circular flow of income you have to explain. First, in the question number B, there is written type, and now here you have to write, explain the circular flow of income means each and every process we have to write and make diagram and denote circular flow of income and explain it very well. Maximum 7 to 8 lines. Explain the significance of standard of deferred payment function of money. So in this question you have to write significance of standard of deferred payment function of money. यहाँ पैसे के फंक्शन के बारे में आपको लिखना है. Fourth question, explain briefly any 2 function of money. Here we have to discuss in detail only the 2 function of money. Dear students, you have to write with the help of heading. 2 heading you have to put and write all detail about it. 4 line maximum. How money can be defined? How money can be defined? Explain. So here is the definition, you know very well, we had taught in the chapter money. ठीक है, and same thing you have to write here, definition and meaning and what is the explanation of that, you know very well, you have to write. Next, long question is given in front of you, long types of questions, and total mark is a 35. Okay, first question is given in front of you, what is meant by macroeconomics, discuss its scope. तो मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में क्या आप जानते हो, इसको बताओ और इसको स्कोप को लिखो. तो पहले आप डिफ़ाइन करेंगे मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, मीनिंग, डेफिनेशन, उसके नेचर, कैरेक्टर, और फिर स्कोप को डिस्कस करोगे और ब्रीफली में सारे स्कोप को लिखोगे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन द मनी फ्लो एंड रियल फ्लो ऑफ इनकम. तो आप 2 हेडिंग डालेंगे, मनी फ्लो और रियल फ्लो, अलग अलग 2 जगह इसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे या दोनों को एक टेबल बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट साइड मनी फ्लो, सेकंड साइड रियल फ्लो, यू हैव टू डिफाइन एंड फुल डिटेल you have to write. This is the important part. After that, next one, define money supply and explain its components. Define money supply and explain its component. Here, how we can able to do money supply, you have to write each and every process and components. पहले मनी के बारे में डेफिनेशन देंगे, मनी सप्लाई का डेफिनेशन देंगे, फिर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे इसके कंपोनेंट्स के. जितने कंपोनेंट्स आपको पता होंगे, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू मेक हेडिंग एंड राइट ऑल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ मनी सप्लाई. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन डिफरेंट मेजर ऑफ मनी सप्लाई यूज बाय RBI इन इंडिया. तो भारत में RBI द्वारा मनी सप्लाई के लिए जो भी कार्य किए जाते हैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करिए. देन नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू राइट ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल ऑफ द RBI. ओके, मैक्सिमम यू हैव टू राइट, इट्स ए लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, मैक्सिमम 10 लाइन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एक्सप्लेन द यूनिट ऑफ अकाउंट्स फंक्शन ऑफ मनी, हाउ हैज़ इट सॉल्व द related problem created by barter. Now here you have to discuss about the function of money and how has it solved the related problem created by barter. Barter you know very well. Okay, with the help of that unit of account and function of money, this is the important part. Unit of account you have to put heading and write detailed definition, and after that you have to write problem created by the barter. Okay, this is the important thing. Suppose these types of question paper is coming in front of you, then same thing you have to write what I had explained. There is no any confusion in the question paper. It should be very important and very easy. This is the second page and here is the first page. You have to solve these all questions in proper way, properly. All are very easy questions. These types of questions you are getting for the preparation of examination. Okay dear students, this much the question paper is given in front of you, and we had explained each and every topic, how you have to solve the question. So dear students, you have to see this video, okay, and complete according to that your question paper. Suppose you are getting same question paper in future in front of you.